Traveling during the holiday season can often feel overwhelming and stressful. In this video, I'll be sharing some essential tips to help you prepare for holiday travel rush, ensuring a smooth and stress-free travel. So the first tip is to book and plan early, and that applies for everything from your accommodation to your flights to car rentals to tours. If you're booking early, you'll have access to better options, more flexibility, and also better prices. As we approach holiday season, the prices tend to go up, and that goes across the board from accommodation, flights, car rentals, etc. Also, if you do need to apply for a visa to your destination, make sure you apply early to avoid the holiday rush as well. The next tip I have for you is to try and avoid connecting flights. I know sometimes it's unavoidable, but as much as possible try to reduce it or avoid it completely. The reason being is during the holiday rush, there's higher chances of your baggage being lost, especially during connecting flights or if your connecting flights are quite close to each other. So by avoiding them, you're reducing the risk of having your luggage lost and also avoiding the additional stress and expenses by having your luggage lost. The next one is always arrive early to the airport. The standard arrival time for international flights is about 3 hours prior to departure, and for domestic is about 1.5 to 2 hours prior to departure. However, during the seasonal rush, holiday season rush, the recommendation is to arrive about 4 hours prior to your departure for an international flight and about 3 hours for a domestic flight. And the reason for it is there's a lot more people. There's a lot more people going through the check-in, through the immigration if they're going for an international flight, and through security. So there is going to be a rush, there are going to be queues, there is going to be delays. So unless you want to run like a madman or madwoman in the last minute to get to your flight, arrive early. That will avoid stress, that will avoid unnecessary hassles and unnecessary running through the airport as well. Moving on, the next one is staying within the airport. Is when you arrive to the airport, be prepared. And be prepared across the board. And that goes for your visas. Make sure you have a copy of your visa if needed. Make sure you have a copy of your e-visa if required, because they will be asked at the check-in counters, at immigration, and on the other side when you arrive. So have it either in a printed format or a digital copy on your phone. Also be prepared with your luggage. Due to the rush, there's going to be stricter rules and enforcement on the luggage restrictions. So make sure you are aware of your carry-on allowances and your check-in allowances. And if possible, try to avoid check-in luggage at all during the holiday season, because it simply reduces the risk of your luggage being lost. But knowing that in a lot of cases it is unavoidable, make sure it sits within the weight restrictions so you don't have to deal with additional stress and potentially additional expenses during that time. The next tip I have is travel insurance. Generally and personally, I am not a fan of travel insurance. And in most of the cases, I don't buy the travel insurance for myself. However, when traveling during the holiday season, especially Christmas, New Year's break, I believe travel insurance is absolutely necessary. During that time, it's a highest chance of something going wrong. You're either going to have a cancelled flight, delays, missed hotels, missed connections, or lost luggage. So during that time, travel insurance is absolute necessity, and make sure you get a good one to cover all potential eventualities that may happen. And that will also help you to reduce stress. So in case of missed flights, you will get reimbursed or you'll get onto the next flight. In case of missed luggage, you will simply get a financial compensation. So it will reduce a lot of stress from your holiday, knowing that you are protected, and if something does go wrong, you will be compensated for it. And my last tip is be flexible and patient. During holiday season, things tend to go wrong. Cancelled flights, delayed flights, missed connections. A wide variety of things can go wrong during your travel. But be patient and be flexible. By doing so, you will simply reduce your stress and you will find the solution a lot faster. People are there to help you. People at the airport, people at the hotel, they will all tend to help you, providing you stay patient and you open to suggestions that they will provide you with. So, by being patient and flexible, you will achieve the resolution to your problem a lot faster and will reduce the stress and make your holiday more enjoyable. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you found it useful, and happy and safe travel during the holiday season, and I hope it will be all stress-free and problem-free for you.